You need to watch this if you adore nature's finest dancers. Let me introduce you to the magnificent crane. Cranes are the ultimate birds, blending beauty and strength in perfect harmony. With wingspans that can stretch over 6 feet, these avian marvels glide effortlessly across the sky. But it's their courtship dance that truly sets them apart, an enchanting ballet of leaps and bows, captivating anyone lucky enough to witness it. Their calls are like nature's symphony, echoing through wetlands and grasslands, a sound both haunting and beautiful. And did you know some cultures believe cranes symbolize longevity and happiness? It's no wonder these elegant creatures have been celebrated in art and mythology for centuries. So next time you see a crane, take a moment to appreciate the wonder and grace of nature's ultimate bird.